Imagine this, your website on the first page of Google, capturing the lion's share of traffic from one of the most sought-after keywords in your industry. Sounds like a dream? It's actually more achievable than you think, with the right search engine optimization, SEO strategies. In today's digital-first world, mastering SEO is no longer just an option, it's a necessity for survival and success online. That's where this guide comes in. SEO can seem complex and opaque to beginners, often riddled with jargon and technical nuances. But what if you could decode these complexities and implement strategies that not only boost your online presence, but also drive more quality traffic to your site, resulting in higher conversions? That's exactly what this essay aims to help you achieve. Let's embark on a journey that transforms you from an SEO novice to a skilled practitioner, capable of ranking #1 on Google. Understanding SEO, the basics you need to know. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, which is the art and science of making your website more attractive to search engines like Google. The goal? To be visible, to stand out in the digital noise, and to rank as highly as possible for specific keywords and phrases that are relevant to your business. SEO isn't just about building search engine-friendly websites. It's about making your site better for people too. Google increasingly relies on user experience signals. Thus, effective SEO involves understanding your audience's intent and offering them value through your content, which in turn improves your rankings. SEO practices can be divided into two broad categories: On-Page SEO, which refers to the factors you can control on your own website, and Off-Page SEO, which involves enhancing your site's reputation and authority by establishing connections and visibility elsewhere on the web. Keyword research, the foundation of effective SEO. Imagine you're a detective, and each keyword is a clue. Effective SEO begins with uncovering the right keywords, which means thinking like your audience. What are they searching for? What problems do they need solutions to? Your task is to list these terms and phrases, as they are the foundation of your SEO strategy. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or SEMrush to conduct detailed keyword research. These tools offer insights into search volumes, competition levels, and even suggest related keywords that perhaps you hadn't considered. Once you have your list, categorize these keywords based on intent: informational, navigational, transactional. This classification will guide not only what kind of content you should be creating, but also how you optimize it for SEO. On-Page SEO, optimizing your content for search engines. On-Page SEO is where you turn keywords into conversions. It's about ensuring that everything on your website, your texts, images, videos, and overall user experience is primed to bring in and engage visitors from search engines. From title tags and meta descriptions to headers, URLs, and more, every element should be optimized with keywords without compromising natural language and readability. Start with title tags. These are the clickable headlines seen on search results pages and are crucial for SEO. They should be compelling, contain main keywords, and be under 60 characters to ensure they display well on search engines. Meta descriptions, although not a direct ranking factor, influence click-through rates. Make them persuasive under 160 characters and ensure they offer a preview of the content. Off-Page SEO is all about building your site's authority, which helps boost your rankings over others. This aspect of SEO focuses on factors that are not directly on your website and involves various strategies like backlinking, social media marketing, guest blogging, and more. One way to grow your off-page SEO is by acquiring high-quality backlinks from reputable sites. These act as votes for the credibility of your content, informing search engines that other entities affirm your content's worth. Engage with your niche community on platforms like LinkedIn or industry forums to increase visibility, and consider collaborating with influencers to reach broader audiences. Creating SEO-friendly content, the art and science. The heart of any successful SEO strategy is content. It's not just about churning out articles. It's about crafting content that speaks directly to the needs and wants of your target audience. It should be engaging, informative, and most importantly, valuable. When writing SEO-friendly content, focus on clarity, simplicity, and relevance. Prioritize the readability of your text, ensuring that it's accessible and digestible. Incorporate keywords naturally into your content, ensuring they align with user intent and contribute to a holistic narrative that drives engagement. It's also important to keep your content dynamic and fresh. Regular updates to your articles, blogs, and pages keep users and search engines interested in what you have to offer. Technical SEO Essentials, behind-the-scenes optimizations. Technical SEO might not be glamorous, but it's critical. It ensures that your site can be crawled and indexed effectively by search engines. This includes optimizing your site structure, improving page speed, ensuring mobile compatibility, and managing your indexing settings through tools like Google Search Console. Start by assessing your website structure. Is it easy for users and search engine bots to navigate? Use breadcrumb menus and a logical hierarchy for pages. Page speed is also crucial. Both users and search engines prefer sites that load quickly. Measuring SEO success. Key metrics and tools. How do you know your SEO efforts are working? Measurement is key. Use tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console to track your success. Look at metrics such as organic traffic, bounce rate, and conversion rates to understand your performance. Regular monitoring allows you to see what's working and what isn't. This data-driven approach helps you optimize your SEO strategy continually, ensuring you maintain and grow your search engine rankings over time. Common SEO myths debunked, separating fact from fiction. Let's clear the air. SEO is surrounded by myths that can mislead newcomers. For instance, more keywords mean better rankings. This is a misconception. Today, relevance and quality outshine mere keyword density. Other myths include the idea that SEO is a one-time initiative, or that it's all about ranking first. Effective SEO is ongoing and holistic, focusing on multiple aspects of your digital presence. Remember, the ultimate goal of SEO is not just to rank high, but to increase visibility and convert traffic into meaningful engagement and transactions. Now let's take a look at advanced SEO tactics. As you step into more complex strategies, let's dive into techniques that can significantly boost your search visibility and user engagement. First up, schema markup and structured data. These powerful tools help search engines understand the context of your content, enhancing your listings with rich snippets. Imagine your recipes, events, or products standing out with additional information like ratings, prices, or event dates directly in the search results. Next, let's tackle local SEO. For businesses targeting regional customers, optimizing for local SEO can be a game changer. We'll explore how to optimize your listings on Google My Business and how to use local keywords and content to attract nearby customers. Voice search is another frontier. With the rise of AI assistants, optimizing for voice search is crucial. We will guide you on how to structure your content to answer direct questions, use natural language, and focus on long-tail keywords that mirror how people speak. Lastly, we'll look at some inspiring case studies. These success stories from brands that have mastered these advanced tactics will show you the real-world impact of a well-crafted SEO strategy. Stay tuned as we unpack these advanced techniques to not just play the game, but to set the rules. As we wrap up our comprehensive journey through the world of SEO, let's take a moment to recap the key points we've covered. Starting with the basics, we learned how search engines work and the importance of keywords in SEO strategy. We then explored the crucial elements of on-page SEO, including optimizing your titles, meta descriptions, and images to improve your site's visibility and engagement. We also delved into off-page SEO techniques, emphasizing the power of backlinks and social signals in boosting your site's authority. Not to forget, we discussed the significance of crafting SEO-friendly content that not only ranks well, but also resonates with your audience. Technical SEO was another vital area we covered, where we highlighted the importance of site speed, mobile responsiveness, and secure connections. And of course, we ventured into advanced SEO tactics, where we explored cutting-edge strategies like schema markup, local SEO, and optimizing for voice search. Now it's your turn to take these insights and apply them to your website. Start small, perhaps by revisiting your keyword strategy or by enhancing your meta tags. Remember, SEO is a continuous process of improvement and adaptation. Don't forget to measure your success using analytics and adjust your strategies based on the data you collect. Congratulations on completing our deep dive into the world of SEO. We hope this guide has equipped you with the tools to begin your journey towards SEO mastery. But don't stop here. Keep experimenting with new techniques, and don't be afraid to think outside the box. SEO is as much an art as it is a science. Engage with other SEO professionals in forums, attend webinars, and read up on the latest industry trends to keep your skills sharp and your site ranking high. We'd love to hear about your successes and challenges. Leave a comment below with your experiences or any questions you have moving forward. Your feedback helps us create more useful content tailored to your needs. And speaking of useful content, don't miss our next video where we will explore the power of social media integration with SEO. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on any updates. Thank you for watching, and remember, the top spot isn't just a destination, it's a journey. Keep climbing, keep optimizing, and we'll see you at the summit.